Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install applications into your Windows. And this is just a very pretty easy way. So for that, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead into the Windows search bar and type Store. You'll find Microsoft Store under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. So here in the Microsoft Store window, you can simply search for your favorite apps, games, and movies. You also have here the best selling games, which are for free. We have the Roblox, Minecraft, Raid Shadow Legends, Candy Crush, Saga. We have the Hidden City, Hidden Objects. You also have the best selling apps, which are free. We have the PDF Reader. We have the Natrado. And you have also the top free apps, which we have the WhatsApp, which is a very useful application. We have the Spotify, Windows Scan, ChatGPT, iCloud, Minecraft Education, Microsoft Teams, and you also have the Apple Music. And you also have here the top free games, so which are all free. So you have here your apps on the Microsoft Store, and if you want to simply search for your favorite application, let's say for example you want to install Facebook into your Windows, simply search for it in the Microsoft Store and you'll find Facebook. So in my case, I have just installed this Facebook app. So you just have to simply click on the get button. And then let's say, for example, you're going to search for Instagram. Hit enter. And you'll find Instagram from here. So I have just installed this into my Windows. Let's say, for example, Snapchat. Hit enter. Click on this. And you just need to simply click on the get button. And you just need to wait for that to be installed into your Windows. And now it has been installed into your Windows. So, as easy as that. But let's say, for example, if I'm going to search for the Chrome browser, hit enter. Chrome browser is not available in the Microsoft Store. So for that, we need to open the browser in order to install the app. So we have the Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser of our Windows. So we can also install the applications through the browser. So simply type Chrome, download, hit enter. And you'll find the first option from www.google.com. Click on that. And you just need to simply click on download Chrome, and then the installer file will be downloaded, and after that Chrome will be installed into your Windows. So that's how you can install applications into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.